Hi guys, kumusta na kayo ulit? Welcome back to another POV tour. So today we're here in Laguna Bel Air Force, Santa Rosa, Laguna to feature this currently ongoing construction house. It's 60%. So this house is a 4-bedroom house with a 2 carport. Meron siyang 3 toilet and bath. So if you're looking for a house and lot dito sa na malapit sa New Valley or near SLEX, pwede po sa inyo. So, let's start with the carport. Ang carport po natin, kasya po ang dalawang sasakyan. This will be already gated, so you don't have to think about it anymore. Now, pagpasok po natin, ito pong carport natin, may access po siya sa service area natin and dito sa ating maid's room. No, pagpasok po natin, ayan, kaway kayo, kaway. Ayan. So, ito po yung ating garden area and then all the way dun sa gilid. Ito pong house na to is single attached, so meron siyang firewall. So, pagpasok po natin, we'll be greeted by our living area. By the way, ang lot area po nito is 144 square meters with a floor area of 167 square meters. Again, 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, 2 carport. So, this is your living area. Meron pong access door or meron po siyang sliding glass door dito sa gilid. So I think this will be a 3 or 4 panel glass door leading out to your lanay. Tapos pwede kayong maglagay ng garden dyan sa gilid. Now right beside it is the first bedroom of the house, which is just a good size. Pwede po siyang guest room, pwede po siyang senior's bedroom, or pwede siyang office. It depends on what you like. Actually, pwede nyo rin pong gawing sliding glass door to para mas maging maliwalas yung gilid nyo na to. Kasya dito yung double bed or single bed. Now, right beside it is the first toilet and bath of the house. So, ito pong toilet and bath na to, maluwag po siya. You will have your sink, you have your shower, you also have your toilet. And right beside it will be the kitchen area. So, yung kitchen area niya, not yet finalized with the layout, pero just follow my vlog or follow my YouTube channel para ma-update kayo kung anong magiging update niya. Now, right beside dito sa ating kitchen area will be your dining area. So, dining area natin, kasya po ang ating 4-seater or 6-seater dining table. You also have a big window there para pumasok yung ating lighting. Now, dito rin po sa ating service area, ito yung service area natin leading to the drivers, sa carport. And dito naman sa kabilang side, this will be your maid's or helper's room. So, 4 bedrooms siya plus 1 helper's room. So, if you're looking for something like that, at this price range, kasi ang price nito right now, before June is 13.8. Katapos na ng June, this will be 14.8. Sobrang sulit na po niya. So, tara, akyat tayo sa second floor. Let's go upstairs, dito yung second floor. Here in the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms and then meron tayong dalawang toilet and bath. Starting with the first bedroom, it's a good size. Kasya po ating queen size bed. Meron na rin po itong cabinet and also provision for your air conditioning. And then right beside it is your toilet. Yung toilet po natin, very spacious po siya. So again, if you follow my videos, napanood nyo siguro yung South Peak or yung Sonoma, this is the same developer. Mahilig po sila sa big toilet and bath. Right beside it is another bedroom. Hindi lang natin pwede mapasok kasi may ginagawa sila. Yan, so makikita nyo. Good size din siya. Kasyang semi-double bed or double bed. And then meron na rin pong kasamang cabinet yan. And this is your master's bedroom. Ito pong master's bedroom, kasya pong ating king size bed or ating queen size bed. And then meron na rin siyang sariling balcony. And then also, ang maganda dito, for the size po natin, napagkasya po natin yung isang walk-in closet with their own toilet and bath. So this is a very nice house actually kasi if you're looking to live in the New Valley area, tapos medyo namamahalan kayo dun sa malapit, this is a little bit nearer, siguro mga 8 minutes drive, 8 to 10 minutes drive going to New Valley itself. Good price na rin po siya at 13.8 at pre-selling price. Now, if you buy it kapag constructed na, nasa 14.8 po siya, but we can still negotiate. Sige po, yun lang. Thank you.